everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a deep and powerful quote from one of the smartest minds in history, Benjamin Franklin. And the quote goes like this: "Life's tragedy is that we get old too soon and wise too late." Wow, right? But what does that actually mean? Let me ask you, have you ever looked back and thought, wow, if I knew then what I know now, things would have been so different? Or maybe you've thought, why did it take me so long to learn that lesson? That's exactly what Benjamin Franklin is talking about. By the time we finally figure out what's really important in life, by the time we finally understand how to live well, we're already older. Time has already passed. And that's the real tragedy. We waste so much time on the wrong things, and we realize it too late. But don't worry. In this video, you're going to learn why we often gain wisdom only after we've made mistakes, how to avoid wasting your best years on the wrong things, and the simple steps you can take today to live a life with fewer regrets. So if you've ever felt like life is speeding by and you want to make the most of your time here, stick around. This might just save you years of regret. Let's get into it. What does this quote really mean? Benjamin Franklin is giving us a reality check. He's saying, by the time we finally figure out how life works, by the time we truly understand what matters, we're already older and a lot of time is gone. Why? Because when we're young, we focus on things that don't really matter. We chase approval. We stress over small problems. We waste time trying to impress people. We think we'll live forever. But as we get older, we realize family matters more than fame. Health matters more than money. Experiences matter more than things. And by the time we truly get it, so much time has already slipped away. But here's the good news. If you can learn these lessons now, you can change your future. And to really drive this home, let me share a couple of real-life examples. Example 1. Chasing the wrong things. Let's talk about James and Robert. James spends his entire 20s and 30s working nonstop. Why? Because he's convinced that if he makes enough money, he'll finally be happy. So he works late nights, skips vacations, misses time with his family. Fast forward 20 years. James is successful, but his kids are grown, his health isn't great, and his marriage feels distant. That's when it hits him. All the things that really mattered, he missed them, chasing things that didn't. And now, he's older and just starting to get wise. But some things he can't get back. Now, Robert took a different path. Sure, he worked hard, but he also made time for his family. He stayed active, traveled, built strong friendships. He realized early on that life isn't just about work and money. And guess what? Now that Robert is older, he has no regrets. James waited too long to figure it out. Robert learned the lesson early and lived fully. Example 2. The small stuff. Here's another one. Sarah and Emily. Sarah spent years worrying about what people thought. Did I say the right thing? Do they like me? What if I embarrass myself? She let fear hold her back from trying new things, meeting people, or chasing her dreams. Years later, Sarah finally realized, nobody is thinking about you as much as you think. But by then, she had missed so many chances. Emily, on the other hand, stopped caring what people thought early on. She chased her dreams, tried new things, laughed at her mistakes. Now she looks back and feels proud. Sarah, full of what ifs. That's the tragedy Benjamin Franklin warned us about. So, how can we stop this from happening to us? How can we avoid getting old and realizing we've missed the point? Here are 5 powerful steps you can take right now. 1. Pay attention to what actually matters. Ask yourself, what will I care about when I'm 80? I promise you, it won't be the car you drove. It won't be how many followers you had. It'll be moments with people you love, your health, your memories. Focus on those things now. 2. Stop waiting to live. So many people say, I'll travel later. I'll spend more time with family next year. I'll chase my dreams someday. But someday never comes. Make later happen now. 3. Learn from others' mistakes. You don't have to make every mistake yourself to get wise. Look at the people around you. What did they regret? What lessons did they learn too late? Take those lessons and use them now. 4. Take care of your health. We don't think about it when we're young, but good health gives you time. Exercise. Eat well. Get enough sleep. Take care of yourself now so you can enjoy life later. 5. Be present. Life moves fast. Don't spend it glued to your phone. Don't rush through moments thinking about the next thing. Slow down. Enjoy the people around you. Savor the little things. Because one day you'll look back and realize those little things were the big things. So here's the final takeaway. Don't wait until you're old to get wise. Don't waste the best years of your life chasing the wrong things. Start living with purpose right now, because time flies and you don't get it back. So here's my challenge for you. Think of one thing you've been putting off. Something important, something meaningful, and do it this week. Because the only real tragedy is waiting until it's too late. Now I want to hear from you. What's one lesson you've learned that you wish you knew earlier? Drop a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs this message today. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't have to wait to be wise. Start now. See you in the next video.